How to fix Google Play Store missing on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can fix if you're not able to find Google Play Store in your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, check all the application. Head over to your settings on your device. Then tap on apps. And here tap on see all apps. Tap on the three dot at the top right and here go over to Source System Application. Now scroll through it and look for Google Play Store, but tap on it. If it is disabled, make sure that you enable it. At the top there you will find enable button where I have disabled, so tap on enable. But if that's not your case and if you're not able to find Google Play Store, then what you can do is you have to open up your app drawer at the search bar. Using the search bar, you could search for Play Store and check if you can find it there. And if the Google Play Store is not in your home screen but it is installed, what you have to do is from your app drawer, you have to tap and hold on your Play Store. Then you could drag it in your home screen and place it wherever you like. So in that way, you could re-add the Google Play Store to the home screen. And if you're not able to find it, now head over to settings, tap on apps, tap and see all apps. Head over to search bar at the top. Now search for Google Play Services. Then tap and open it up. From here, tap on Storage and Cache, and here tap on Clear Cache. Once you do that, you could head over it and then search for Google Play Store again. And if you cannot still find it, now head over to Settings. Now head over to Apps. Tap on See All Apps. Tap on three dot at the top right, and here you have to head over to Reset to App Reference. Tap on Reset App, and it will re-enable all of the disabled application, and also it will reset the permissions, and that may help you solve your problem. So in this way you can fix if you're not able to find Google Play Store in your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.